how to always see all the albums as you enter into the gallery app. So instead of going into your Samsung Gallery app and you have to select the view all option to see all the albums here, there is a setting which allows you to see all the albums all the time. So you might have made a mistake and pressed that now on this here, not knowing what it does. So now every time you go to your albums, you'll see that it looks like this right here. To show all the albums all the time, go into your gallery app, your Samsung Gallery app, which is this one here. And once you're here, first you'll notice it says view all here. But when you go to the menu section right down here, you'll see settings. Go to that. And as you enter into the settings section of your album or gallery app itself here, you'll see gallery settings up here. Go down and you'll see albums right here. And you'll see select essential albums. Basically, with this turned on, you're only going to show the albums you select on the albums tab instead of showing them all. So turn this off. You want to turn this off here, and you can now back out of here, and you'll notice that when you come back to this view where you can see all the albums here, it no longer gives you the option to view all to see all the albums. Now you can always see every album you have on your gallery app. So let's go back to it now, and you'll notice instead of it showing view all, you can always see all the albums. This is with the Android 15 update, and same for the Android 14. Like and sub.